A variable interest rate is an interest rate which changes over time and does not remain constant. It is an interest rate which is tied to another market interest rate. Nowadays, LIBOR has become the industry standard that is used for most positions. A variable interest rate is adjusted periodically and thus is not likely to remain the same throughout a loan's life. It can increase or decrease depending on the development of LIBOR. Usually, variable interest rates include a LIBOR rate plus spread. The spread is determined by the criteria that we saw before: inflation, default risk, liquidity, and maturity. A fixed interest rate, on the other hand, remains constant throughout the entire duration of a loan. Even if the market conditions change, the fixed interest rate does not change. The payments for a loan can be equal through the entire duration. Fixed rates are typically used for loans that have a duration of 10 or more years. Most people prefer fixed interest rates because they are averse to risk, but it is not necessarily the right choice. First of all, it really depends whether the current level of interest rates is low, compared to at least 20 years of historical sample. If that's the case, it can be beneficial to lock in a fixed rate. But if it isn't true, a variable rate is a very viable alternative. Furthermore, fixed rates include some of the additional costs for carrying out transactions with derivative financial instruments, swaps, which allow banks to fix the interest rate. Historically, some academic studies show that variable rates tend to be less costly for borrowers in the long run.